Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 356 different strategies, with 114 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 80% win rate, an 87% win rate. And that was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator, and so far since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 254 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,033 indicators, with 431 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says, trend trigger factor, your help in identifying trends. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now, since we are testing just the single indicator by itself, then we'll put this under the indicator testing spreadsheet and the indicator testing scoreboard section. And so the indicator we are testing, as you probably guessed, it's going to be the trend trigger factor indicator. And so if you just type it in like this here, it's going to be this one here by Lazy Bear. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Now, in the source video, the creator explained basically how to use the trend trigger factor indicator, and it explained also that it should be kind of used on a higher time frame. And so what I did was, since most people are still interested in day trading, and this indicator is a little bit better on a higher time frame, I put the time frame on the 30-minute. But what I did was I went into the settings, and under the length I changed it to 30 and click OK. And now what it does is it basically spreads this out a little bit more, basically allows it to kind of really identify these long movements in the market, rather than trying to catch all these small little ups and downs and pullbacks and so on. And so effectively what we are doing is we're using it as a higher time frame indicator, but on a lower time frame setting. And so the creator of the indicator explained a few different ways that you could use this, but specifically mentioned that anytime the trend trigger factor indicator, or the line, is above the 0 mark, so basically this solid line right in the middle, anytime the line is above that, then the market is in an uptrend, and anytime it is below it, the market is in a downtrend. And so what you should do is you should look for the break of that 0 line to the upside or to the downside. And so for example, for a long trade, what you would look for is the line to break that 0 line right in the middle to the upside, like it does right here. And that would be your signal to then enter into a long. So you would put your trade right here, put the stop just right about here, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Be pretty small, right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it would play out. And you can see that rather quickly there, make a nice push to the upside, and that would have gotten to take profit. And for a short trade, what you would look for is the factor lined, the trend trigger factor lined across from the upside to the downside over that 0 line right here, just like it does right in this moment. And that would be your signal to then enter into a short. Put your trade right there, put your stop just right above this pivot here, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And it takes just a little bit longer. We come down, bounce back up, and then make this push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 32% win rate. If you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $13,600 for an overall loss of $4,000 altogether. So definitely not the best way to identify the trend direction. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 26 trades altogether. We had 22 winning trades and 4 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 81% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,200. On the losing side, you would have lost $4,800 for an overall gain of $8,400. And I'm putting the final touches on a position management strategy that would increase the win rate of the Academy Forex indicator even more into the high 90% on a regular basis. And so realistically that overall gain would have been somewhere around $12,000 altogether in this case. And so if you are interested in the Academy Forex indicator, then you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Recently, we have been working on a crypto scalping strategy as well. You can see some of the trades on screen now. Some really good results from it. Also using the position management strategy, or at least partially using it. That's a strategy I'll be releasing to the patrons here in the very near future once I just dial in a couple more aspects of it. But if you're interested in viewing a video on this crypto scalping strategy, you can click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye. Just click on that. It'll take you down to 2 thumbnails. Click on the thumbnail that says new crypto scalping strategy, and you can watch the video on that. All right, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.